Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Outdoor Madness, everyone. I'm Kerry Clark. On our way back from a recent road trip to Colorado, we came across what I like to call a jewel of a place. The Grand Canyon Deer Farm in Williams, Arizona. For over 50 years, the Deer Farm has been enjoyed by animal lovers of all ages. Getting hands-on close to such beautiful creatures is a rare opportunity. Only by raising them from babies allows for such intimate human contact. They work around the clock taking care of the animals so that we can have a memory that will last a lifetime. From the moment you enter the farm, the deer are all over you and they are hungry. So make sure you keep your food up high or close to you until you get ready to feed them, or these crumb snatchers will take your food so quick you won't know what happened.
Get my shoes and all kinds of things. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Oh my goodness. You guys are little piggies. Look at you.
What's up, punks? How you punks doing?
I know.
Man, look at you punks.
Now make sure you watch out for your hair, especially if you have long hair like my wife. Oh yeah, don't forget about your t-shirt and your shoestrings. These little crumb snatchers will try to eat anything.
Yeah, hi. How are you? Oh, hello,
What
guys.
kind of deer are they, I wonder?
I don't know.
The spots.
I don't know.
Pretty.
Hi. Yeah. Hello. You're so pretty.
So tame.
Yeah, you're so pretty. Yes. Yeah, you guys are so pretty,
Like
huh?
when you see how it
Yeah.
it kind of shakes.
Give you a little scratch. Everybody likes a scratch. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Located on the section of Old Route 66. The Deer Farm is 10 acres of absolute animal wonderland. Walk a path around the park to view wallabies, llamas, bison, peacocks, and much more.
You're losing all your felt.
I mean, he looks like he can hardly.
Like, trim these things for me, please.
Yeah, exactly.
You need more trees so you can take the downfall.
Or a reindeer.
Like, oh yeah, I'm gonna chill for a while.
She's a beauty, though.
Mm-hmm.
There you have it, everyone. Grand Canyon Deer Farm in Williams, Arizona. If you love animals, you will love this place. Kerry Clark for Outdoor Madness. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. And if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your bell on, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.